Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and oh boy do I have something exciting to unbox for you today. This is the Manicure company latest collection and it is the Arabian Dreams set. So as you can see, we've got 6 gorgeous colors to choose from, and I am going to swatch them all for you, so stay tuned till the end because I have got 2 additional colors which I bought in addition to this, which are just so beautiful and just so springy, and I would love to share them with you. So stick around till the end and you will see what we've got. So the first one is a Desert Rose. Next up we have got Celestial Skies. This one is Silk Veil. Next is Soul Sands. This beauty is Sun Kissed. And this is the last color in the collection, and it is Mirage. It's really sparkly and beautiful. Okay, so when you buy a collection from Manicure company, they usually send you with their own swatching sort of sticks thing, which I absolutely love. You know, you can keep all the colors together and you don't have to worry about labeling them after. So I'm just going to go in one by one and swatch these for you, and then I will do the second side of it a little bit later. I know I started doing the first bit in the beginning with a video with you, but yeah, I changed my mind and I thought I'd do that off camera later. And then towards the end I will do a top coat which is shiny, and then the other side I will do a top coat which is matte, so you can have a look to see what they look like with both shiny and matte. And then yeah, you can just let me know which one you like, which one is your favorite color, and so on. See you in a bit. So whilst this is going to be cooking in the lamp, I am going to show you 2 additional colors that I bought along with the collection. So this one is called Petal, and oh my gosh, it's just the most beautiful shade of pink that you could ever find. And I know I have a lot of pinks, but you can't resist a pink. They're just so pretty. And this one is called Glowing. So I am going to swatch these 2 for you so you can have a look to see what they look like. And yeah, again, let me know in the comments down below what you think. And here is our final colors so that you can see them in a glossy top coat and in a matte. So guys, let me know which one is your favorite color. What do you think of this collection? You know, is it something that you'd wear? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will link this as well down below so you can see where you can get them from. And yeah, I will see you guys real soon for another video. Take care guys, bye.